Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax here in Lake Ozarks, and today we're on an Aviara AV32 stern drive powered by ILMOR 380s twins. Got the large convertible Aviara sun pad here, backrest, telescoping chairs, tons of storage all the way around, trash receptacle here, awesome day kitchen. One, two, three cooler spots. Simrad controls, boat equipment fixtures here, vessel view, auto trim, joystick controls, electronic binnacles, nice large head. It's very deep. And then the traditional Aviara large oversized deep well bow. So here we are on Aviara 2023 AV32. My name is Jeff here at MarineMax, 573-606-3035.